Hey guys, it's Wanda and welcome to Crazy Days. Today we're going to announce a couple of winners for the FORJARS $50 gift certificate. I want to thank FORJARS for sponsoring the August Jamboree and giving us two $50 gift certificates to give away. So I'm going to announce two winners in a few minutes. I also want to thank Mary Ellen from Potpourri. This is the second or third time that I've been a part of the Jamboree, and I really love it. I love what she did this time. Instead of us making jams, we used some of our jams, jellies, or preserves, and we showed you what we did with them. I made my granny's jelly cake. Actually, it was what my granny, it was her pound cake recipe for a small pound cake so that you don't have to make that big old cake and eat all of it. And I just put it in two round pans, and I put jelly, Mayhaw jelly that I canned, with FORJARS lids. You know, that's what I did. And so Mary Ellen, Potpourri, thank you for allowing us to be a part of the August Jamboree. There's a lot of good people in the August Jamboree. Check out the link. I'm going to try and put it in the description below so that you can see all the recipes and all the participants that did that and what they made with their jams, jellies, and preserves. The FORJARS lids. My winners, and I have to read this. One is Country Girl 3575 and the other is Becky W. Both of you send me an email at deepsouthhomestead@gmail.com. I don't have a Crazy Days email. I have enough emails to keep up with, so I just keep it with one email. So send the email to deepsouthhomestead@gmail.com. That's Country Girl 3575 and Becky W. And I'll send you the codes, and you will have some FORJARS lids on the way. So guys, thank you for stopping by, and we got another surprise or two coming up, another giveaway, and I think y'all gonna like it. It's a kitchen gadget. Thank you guys from Crazy Days.